always honest and honest in fact can be community. The honest here to a sign of fair.
Integrity is our cornerstone. We don't tell lies, don't easily comment on things we don't understand, and always remain true and honest. Innovation is our driving force. We are constantly exploring and seeking new methods and approaches to promote the advancement in the development of technology. Rigor is our attitude. We pay attention to detail and strive for excellence to ensure that every task is complete to the highest standard. Helping others and achieving our own goals is our strength. We work together to face challenges and achieve double-win results. Lifelong learning is our goal. We keep learning and improving ourselves to meet future challenges in a better state.
At Honest, we practice a code of conduct, integrity, innovation, rigor, collaborative rules, and lifelong learning. We are committed to providing customers with the best quality intelligent equipment and service in the quest of a better future. Okay, see you next video.